I'm going to show you how to look up and select a customer for your sale. On the ticket header, to the left of customer, you'll click on the magnifying glass icon. This will bring up the lookup for the customers. You can look up a customer by last name, by first name, by account number, or you can use a % sign for wildcard searches. If you want to look up a customer by their last name, just type in the last name on the last name field and click on the lookup button. In this example, that'll bring up anybody with the last name of Smith. If you wanted to look up a customer by their first name, go to the first name field, type in the customer's first name and click on the lookup button. And this will bring up any customers, in this example, with the first name of John. If you wanted to look up a customer by their account number, you can just type in their account number if you know it. Click on the lookup button, and that'll bring up that account number. If you're not sure of the complete account number, you could type in a partial account number and click on lookup, and that would bring up anyone with those numbers. And if you find that customer, you can go ahead and select them. And if you wanted to look up customers that have a last name that start with W, you can just go to the last name field, type in W, click on lookup, and that'll bring up any customers that have a last name that start with W. You can do the same thing for the first name. Anyone that has a first name that starts with G, click on lookup, and that'll bring up those customers. You could even do a combination lookup. If you've typed in the last name and the first name, clicked on lookup, that would bring up anyone with the last name of Walker and the first name of John. If you wanted to use a % sign for a wildcard, we could go to the last name, type in the % sign, and let's say a Z, and click on lookup, and it would bring up anybody that has a Z in their last name. Doesn't have to be the first letter, it could be anywhere in their last name. And that works the same way for first name and account number. If I came in here and didn't type in anything for last name, first name, or account number and just clicked on the lookup button, what that's going to do is it's going to bring up the first 100 results. Once I find the customer that I'm looking for, I can just double click on that customer or click on the select button once it's highlighted, and that customer will come up on the screen. And that completes how to look up and select a customer.